Right, we're going to go to the pooseum and have a look at some poo. So, sounds interesting, doesn't it? What a load of old... rhino poo. Elephant poo. That one, Tyler. African elephant poo. So, African and Asian elephants have about the same size sort of poo.
Very disgusting.
Black rhino poo.
White rhino poo.
Oh, look at the size of that. That's bigger than my head.
That's a gore.
Water buffalo poo. And gore poo. Bison
American
poo.
bison.
Yeah, Tyler, have you ever had that one that big? No? That's got a bit of weight to it, isn't it? Hippo poo.
There's a crack.
Another hippo poo. Hippopotamus poo. Panda poo.
Can you spell it?
Zebra poo.
You have spell it? Are you kidding me? Is it kidding me?
There we go. All sorts of shit in there.
What's that?
What do you think, Tyler?
They're very disgusting.
Are they? I think it's a load of old shit myself.
You can even
Any more interesting ones? There's so much shit in here, literally. I'm just gonna see if there's any that catch the eye as I walk through. Tiger poo.
That looks
Oh, that's got some length, that one.
Dad,
Who's that?
African wild dog.
Their poo. Western lowland gorilla. God, gorillas have massive poos, Tyler. Look at that. Almost as big as mine, mate.
What the hell? Ow.
That just looks like bird's poo. That's owl poo. I wonder whose job it is to. And what would the job title be? Shit collector, or? I mean, I'm doing a bit of photography. Warthog poo. The other interesting ones. Tortoise poo.
Snail poo.
There you go. Anyone who ever wondered what snail poo looks like? There you have it.
And a red kangaroo.
Moth poo.
Moth.
So somebody just sits around waiting for animals to poo so they can collect them for this museum. Kangaroo poo? God, that one looks a bit nutty, doesn't it?
It's a bit nutty.
Rat poo. Giant rat poo. There you have it. Right, let's get out of here. Oh, hang on. Now we're getting to the real stuff. Look at this. God. Look at that. Great horned white. Oh, I thought he was the winner, but he's been beat. Look at that. What animal done that? Doesn't even say. What? Jesus. That'll feed you for a week, Tyler.
What one's that?
Giraffe poo? Right. Got white stuff on it. Oh yeah.